Welcome to Initial Speed. Today, I'm not going to do very much talking. I am not feeling well, not doing well. The doctor says to stay put. But you know, car things still need to happen. Window regulator on a B5 chassis needs to be replaced. Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tools you will need. You will need a T30, T45, small flathead screwdriver with a Robinson's bit, a bigger flathead screwdriver. I'm using a ratchet. You will need a rivet gun and 3/16 rivets. Oh, and drill bit. And a hammer. And this is what the window or the door looks like with everything out of it. Pretty interesting design. So usually what goes bad on these are the plastic pieces or the wire. And in this case, you can see the wire has definitely come off. It is supposed to come down here, go loop around here, and back up. So, but I mean, after what, 25 years? Can't really be mad at it, can you? rusted, new. See how this wire, like I said, is supposed to come around here? And this is what the other side looks like. It's where the motor fits in. Yep, motor, electrical. And then this is what the window slides up and down on. So there are 2 rivets that I can see right off the top. There's one under here, so I've got to remove the glass. So these 2 Torx bits. Drill out these. I've got to go out and get a riv gun because I don't have one. So let's start by taking these out and taking out the glass. My problem is this isn't going to move, so I might have to cut the cable to slide this down. But we'll see what happens. And then I can drill out these rivets, 3 of them. Okay, so 2 over here and 1 back here. I'll show that to you in a second. And then put the new piece in. Oh no, this isn't going to work. The glass has to come out. There's another rivet up here. There we go. Now I've got to find somewhere nice to put this so we don't break it. Now that is away. 1 rivet here, 1 there, 1 over here, and 1 up here. Rivet, rivet. Put all of these in first, because if you don't, you will have a hard time lining it all back up. Like, see, that hole doesn't fit. I have 1 down here. Alright, well, time to wrestle. Time to put the window back. Not too tight. Remember, it is glass. And glass is glass. Should have done this when the glass was out. Oh yeah, and in true form, it is starting to rain. So yesterday we got rained out. So let's finish putting that door skin back on, or I guess interior door panel, door card back on. First I got to move these things out of the way. I like to start at the bottom. And don't forget the latch, or the lock. And then put back in the screws. But first I'm going to check the window. Now I need to replace this piece. Broken tab. kind of like the fingers. I feel like Michael Jackson. Should be screaming, ee-hee, when I get cut now, huh? Looks like a future problem for future Phil. That's it. So thank you for watching Initial Speed. I'm Phil, and I'm out.